Hi there guys and gals. Good evening. Come on. I'm some kind of a hungry. Open your mouth. Don't be shy. Bolognese. It's too saucy. Okay. How are you all guys doing? Come on, join me for my late snacks. Okay, before I forgot, thank you Lord for all the blessings that you give, for all the trials and challenges that I surpassed. Shout out to my family in Bicol, headed by my mother, Fabardo, Singar, Bebe Chichen, and Kiel. Shout out to all my first viewers who never get tired of my masterpieces. Thank you so much each every one of you. And to all my silent subscribers out there, hi, hi, hi. To all my 10 lovely countries, hello. Which one? Oh, guys, sorry, I forgot. Special mention to Helen Carreto and to all the Helen Carreto of San Roque Productos and to all the San Roqueñans out there. Hi, hi. Iguana ka mong ilaw dyan. May kuryente na. Guys, you know what I forgot? This August 15, 2024, and today is August 20, 2024. I forgot to greet each one of you a happy 34th anniversary on our YouTube channel. Thank you guys. So I'm gonna upload this one before I upload my previous videos. Thank you so much for the support, for the love and affection that you give on my channel. I'm so thirsty. Thank you so much, each every one of you. Keep on browsing my channel. Love it, feel it, embrace it, share it. Love it. Want some? Once again, thank you very much. Belated happy 34th Mansari on our YouTube channel, okay? And to all my Facebook viewers, thank you for watching. Bye for now. But for now, thank you so much. Godspeed to each every one of you. Bye.